know anything about Japanese, but I'm curious. So I actually asked my friend, Japanese friend, to prepare some opening words and closing words in Japanese. So I'll do that first. この度は貴重なお時間をいただき、誠にありがとうございます。ピアツピア金融プラットフォームオーネスファンドの代表、総さんと申します。私たちオーネスファンドの目標は、名前通り、透明さと正直さを金融市場に加えることです。この信念を持って、創業以来、今まで1年半のどんな誘惑にも負けず、頑張ってきました。その結果、今日この場でスピーチの機会を与えていただき、光栄です。I'll share the story of HonestFund, what we are making and what our strategy is, and what we are doing with our partners. Yeah. Introduction to our company. HonestFund is a P2P lending platform like Lending Club or OnDeck, which are listed on the USA stock market. Basically, we are collecting borrowers and investors directly without any banking system, so that we can give more benefits to customers, all of our customers. For example, we use a data system to evaluate the credit score more accurately and more granularly compared to the other traditional banking industry players, so that we can give more reasonable interest rate to borrowers and more attractive returns for investors. P2P lending market in Korea is really growing fast. Basically, our target market is over $70 billion market per year in Korea. And the whole P2P lending industry is growing really fast, over 70% per month for last year. So now P2P lending is actually the biggest fintech area in Korea. If you ask me what is the strategy, one keyword to explain our strategy, then I will say the data is the answer. Well, for retail financial player like us, the understanding data and making a system to analyze it is crucial for enter the market. For example, marketing or risk modeling, the data is everything. In a risk perspective, for example, we are using both financial data and non-financial data. For the financial data, we are not only applying statistical regression, but also we are applying machine learning or deep learning, which are like the basis of the technology of AI to evaluate the credit score more accurately. Also, we are using non-financial data like SNS data or online behavior data or psychometric test, so that we can evaluate the hidden willingness to repay of each individual loan applicant. So that as a result, we are trying to improve the accuracy of the credit scoring system and give a more reasonable pricing system to borrowers, and that's gonna be lead to more returns for the investors. Well, make this business successful, we need a lot of experts. For example, we need finance expert or data science expert or business expert. Well, HonestFund team has it all. Well, me and my co-founder, we've founded several companies, and my co-founder is actually researched the non-financial based risk modeling. And also other board of directors, they've experienced a lot of finance industry and data science industry, like McKinsey or MIT Global Labs. So there are a lot of hurdles to make a new credit scoring system. We need an understanding of the finance industry, and also we need to understand the whole background knowledge of the data science, and also we need to program it in really accurate and scalable system. Well, and that's what we are doing now. But thanks to our team competency and our technology, now we've raised $3 million seed funding from several renowned investors. But for the angel investors, one of the angel investors is Daniel Shin, who is the CEO and the founder of the Ticket Monster, which is the biggest e-commerce company in Korea. And also we've raised seed funding from Real Finance Group, which made a alliance with SBI Holdings in Japan. Also we've raised the seed funding from Shinhan Bank, which is a #1 commercial bank in Korea. Well, in here I want to emphasize the partnership with Shinhan Bank that we are making. Well, Shinhan Bank is not only putting money on us, but also we are making a new business opportunity. Well, first of all, we are doing co-branding with Shinhan Bank so that we can use Shinhan's logo on our website, and also we are getting customer referral from the Shinhan Bank so that we can give them a new opportunity, new loan chance for rejected customers. Second is technology. For technology, we are integrating the whole system with the Shinhan Bank's system so that we can automate the whole process of the origination and settlement process. And also, we are using the infrastructure of the Shinhan Bank so that we can validate our non-financial risk modeling. And finally, but not least, financing is the third part of our partnership. Well, Shinhan Bank is putting money on us, like over $1 million, but also they're trying to putting debt financing on us, so that we are making P2P lending. So we are making actually individual loan, like national loan or corporate loan, and they're putting money on our individual loan, so that we can boost our P2P lending process. Well, we are growing really fast, actually. For the last 6 months, we are growing over 70% per month. And actually, the reason why we are growing really fast is that we are making a new asset class for both individual investors and institutional investors. Well, when you see the right side of our graph, this straight blue line is the risk profile of the individual loan in Korea. As you can see, it's really stable for the past 10 years. But when you see this zigzag in here, it's actually the Korea's stock market volatility. And when you see it, there is actually no correlation between Korea's stock market volatility and our P2P individual loan. So it's really attractive and actually has the whole new risk profile as a class. Also, we are looking for a new partner in Japan who can boost our growth. So if you have any interest for us, then feel free to ask me. Actually, I prepared. I know it's quite awkward, but I prepared the ending words in Japanese too. 日本には一期一会ということわざがあると聞きました。私も今日この場を一緒に一度限りの機会だと心得て、遭遇して1年頑張ってきた思いを込めました。この一度の出会いがまたより良い機会につながるように、皆様の関心と連絡をお待ちしております。ご清聴ありがとうございました。